Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can enable the assistive touch in the accessibility tab. So go to settings and you're going to select accessibility, which is here. I'm just going to hold it for a few seconds so you guys can see where I'm heading. Then to enable the assistive touch, just go to physical and motor, select touch here, which is this one, then go to assistive touch. Then you're going to just enable it. Whoops, sorry, my battery's low. But that is pretty much it, really super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful once again. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!